So it's 3:10 in the morning, in the afternoon, and I have a big problem right now. I don't know where to put this. See this? It's a like kind of a front flash something, but I already have this plugged in the audio jack. This is the mic. That's why you're getting this nice quality. So I cannot use it like this. This is really ridiculous, and another problem for me to solve. Yay! Let's start the video. Today's goal is pretty simple. The goal is to create a profile, right? A social media profile, and to organize it basically so that I can manage it more easily. Because let's just face it, if you don't have a social media presence, like a huge presence, like an influencer, like why do you even use it, right? So yeah. I want to get that influencer profile, and for that I have to do some plannings, and that today this video will revolve around that planning. So step one is to use the wall again. I'm just gonna put my face. I don't have some time to draw the face, so I'm just gonna do my name, and then I'm just gonna write down the things that I have already figured out regarding my profile, and then things that I have to, and then we'll work it out. Let's just jump into it. So this thing is just ready almost, right? Okay, so starting with this. This is me. This is a big KHAN, right? This is Khan. So that's this name. I have my official phone number. This is very necessary for that people can contact you, right? And I have the official email ID as well, which is also very necessary. I have a personal hashtag done. A personal username at which nobody else has. I'm just gonna have to check it out if on every social media platform I have this or not, and then this must be it. It's khansofficial. I think nobody else has that, so they're gonna work with that. So we have I have to decide a particular profile picture right now, so that I can change it on different sort of profiles and different sort of social medias. Now talking about the social media accounts, I have sorted out the top that I want to work on. It starts like this, it goes like this. It's Instagram, there's Twitter, there's Facebook, there's Snapchat, there's LinkedIn, there's Pinterest, there's Reddit, Telegram, Tumblr, and the last Messenger. So Messenger and Facebook are now different things. So I have to work on both of them. And then now these social media platforms, they require some sort of content for some engagement, right? So for that I'm gonna just download a poster maker or something like that, so that I can make content, and then I can just take that content and then just push it to all these social media accounts that I'm gonna working on with. So this is I don't want to go any further because this looks like a lot on my plate right now. So as of now I'm done with the social media apps thing. It was really frustrating signing up on all these different websites, applications, and different accounts, and I'm not done yet, but I'm just gonna anyway. So for those of you who are watching this vlog, I would like you to take this piece of advice home with you, like out of this video, and that is it is good to fail like multiple times on a daily basis. You can fail, but because a failure means you were doing something, you started doing something, and you failed on that. And as a personal experience, and I've read it also so many places that starting something out takes a lot of willpower, and that is something that usually nobody wants to spend, because this is like a currency for them. If I tell you right now to go out there, just get up and draw something, you won't do it unless somebody's paying you, or some very big reason, because it requires a willpower for doing it for no reason. And that willpower, the point is that from your side, all you have to do to get those different experiences, to productivity that some people really struggle with. All you have to do from your end is to start new things, and yes, circumstances will do whatever they can to stop you from continuing that, from doing it consistently, but that's okay. You don't have to take it
that seriously you can fail every single time. Just start again, start something with something else, start with doing something else. It's just that failing is far much better experience, and just genuinely for me it feels much better than actually succeeding it, because failure means okay, I get to do it again. Right? Anyway, so this was today's video. I hope you got something out of it, and I'll see you tomorrow with new content and maybe a shorter video for that matter. Yep, that was it. Thanks for watching Khan's vlog, and hope to see you a part of sorry, that was a job thing. Some people will get it. Okay, bye.